Hello and welcome to The Print. I am Purva Chitnis. Right now I am in Badlapur, that is on the outskirts of Mumbai. Now here in Badlapur on Tuesday there was a massive protest at the Badlapur railway station because in Badlapur two young girls aged only 4 years old, they were allegedly sexually abused at their own school. Now, I am right now standing outside that same school, and on Tuesday there was a massive protest at the Badlapur railway station from morning 9 a.m. until evening 6 p.m., where the protesters and angry parents were demanding action against this incident that happened about a week ago. We'll talk about what exactly happened at the school, and also the prince spoke to one of the relatives of the victim. So we will tell you what exactly happened, how it happened. But before that, let's also first understand what exactly happened at Badlapur station on Tuesday. A massive protest was organized. People from across Badlapur and nearby areas gathered at the railway station. They stopped the running of the trains and forced the administration to take a look at it because they were alleging that there was a delay in police action in filing the complaint, and also there was a delay at the school administration and the management who were not ready to take action against the culprit. The FIR was filed in this case on August 16th. A day later, the accused was also arrested, but the protesters were demanding that merely arresting the accused is not something that they want, and they wanted immediate capital punishment. Now, on Tuesday, because of this protest, the administration took a note of it, and administration and Maharashtra government has formed a SIT to look into this matter, to investigate this matter. And also the SIT is formed, and the government has said that they will try to make sure that this case is run on fast track court. Now, this is what happened on Tuesday, but what exactly happened at this particular school? Now, you can also see that on Tuesday, in fact, there was at some point there was vandalism that took place at the railway station, and also at the school where I am right now. You can see the gate of the school was broken by the angry protesters. Some of the angry protesters and parents also went inside the school. They broke some of the property of the school, and since then the school is closed, and even on Wednesday the schools across Badlapur are closed. You can see that there is heavy police security outside the school, and although there aren't any protests in Badlapur on Wednesday, but there is heavy police security, police officials who've been deployed in Badlapur. They are guarding this city, and the city on Wednesday at least is peaceful, and there are no protests taking place. But we spoke to the one of the victims' relatives, and what happened, the details that the victim's relative told us were quite disturbing. In fact, the incident, according to the FIR, they mentioned that on August 13th, one of the victims had told her parents about an alleged misbehavior of one of the male staffers at the school. Now, post that, this victim's parents told the other victim's grandfather that something like this has happened with their child, and the grandfather then and they would be doing the medical test of their child. So the grandfather of this victim that we spoke to as well, the victim's family member that we spoke to, this grandfather decided to do the medical of their own child as well. Now, in fact, they decided to do that because for quite some time, this small child, now remember, she's only 4 years old, this small child had started showing some behavioral differences. Her walking was different. She was holding her urine for quite some time. She was not going to the washroom, and also she had started getting scared of the school. She had refused to go to the school, and that is why they decided to also do the medical test of their child as well. And when the results came out, they were shocked because according to the police FIR as well, which is mentioned in the FIR, that the girls were sexually abused. They were allegedly sexually abused, and they decided to confront with the school administration first. The school administration did not take a note of this, and they decided to go to the police to lodge a complaint. Now, their ordeal does not end here. When they went to the police station, they were made to wait for at least 12 hours before that complaint was registered. Every time they would try to get their complaint registered, they were not entertained by the police, is what they told the print, and that is why they had to take the help of a local politician to get their complaint registered, to get the FIR registered, which was finally registered on August 16th. And that is why they have alleged that there is a delay in the police action, and also the school administration did not take note of their complaint. In fact, the family also suspect that there might be a few other girls as well in the school who might have faced the same kind of ordeal, but they're not ready to come out and speak against it. So, but this is what the family has suspected, and so far what we know and what the complaint is also is about the two girls who have been allegedly sexually abused at their own school. Now, the government has formed an SIT. The government has promised that there will be a fast court action. But yesterday, that is on Tuesday, the protesters were very angry with the government because also recently the government had launched its populist scheme called Ladki Bahin, which is also on the heels of Madhya Pradesh's Ladli Behna, where women would be given 1,500 rupees per month. So the angry protesters were saying that, you know, instead of coming out with these populist schemes, we should be given safety and security. And on the same issue now, the opposition Maha Vikas Aghadi has organized a Maharashtra Bandh on August 24th. They said that the government, instead of coming out with these populist schemes, they should be instead focusing on women's safety, and women's safety should be priority in the state. The opposition has also accused the government of not taking care of the law and order situation. The law and order situation, they have been alleging that and accusing that is going down in the state. And for that, they have organized a Maharashtra Bandh. Now, this is all that we know as of now in this particular story, in this Badlapur school case. We will be keeping a close watch on the story and on the developments, but so far an FIR has been registered with two girls aged only 4 years old were allegedly sexually abused in their own school, and now the government has said that an SIT is formed over it, which will investigate this matter further. This is me, Purva Chitnis, signing off from Badlapur for The Print.